Hi everyone. We're going to use Euler's method with increments of delta x equals negative 0.1 to approximate the value of y when x is 1.7. We have dy divided by dx equals 1 plus y, and y equals 0 when x is 2. So basically there's this little table I set up that makes it easier. We know first that x is 2 when x is 2, y is 0. We also want to go to x equals 1.7. So we're going to keep subtracting 0.1 until we get to 1.7. That means we're going to do this 3 times and then find our y value. And this little table is very helpful. So first, let's find our dy divided by dx. That's going to be 1 plus y. Our y is 0. So that's just going to be 1. And let's go ahead and write this in decimal form since we're dealing decimals. Now our change in x is given negative 0.1. Our change in y is when you just multiply these two. So just multiply those two numbers and you're going to get negative 0.1. All right. So our new x and y is going to be x plus your delta x. So that's going to be 1.9. And your y is going to be your y plus negative 0.1. So that's just going to be negative 0.1. So that's your new point. And we have to put this 1.9 comma negative 0.1. All right. Now let's do this part. 1 minus negative 0.1. So that's going to give us, let's see, it's plus, sorry, it's plus. So this is going to give you 0.9. Our delta x is the same, negative 0.1. Then you just multiply these two, and you're going to get negative 0.09. And then we just fill in our new values. So we have 1.9 minus 0.1. That gives you 1.8. And for our y, you take your negative 0.1 plus this number. That's going to give you negative 0.19. All right. We got to do this one more time because we're at 1.8. We have to go to 1.7. So let's carry down our 1.8, and our y is negative 0.19. All right, so now we have 1 minus a 0.19. That gives us 0.81. All right, this stays the same, negative 0.1. And now you multiply these two, and you're going to get negative 0.081. So your new point's going to be 1.7 finally, right? And then when you you take your y, add these up, and you're going to get negative 0.271. So basically, when x is 1.7, our approximate value of y is negative 0.271. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.